Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaudi, Atmi Green School, Standard 5th. Okay, we have completed revision of chapter 12. Now we have to revise chapter 14, that is algebra. In algebra, I am talking about the what is variables, right? So what are the yes here? Yes represent side of a square. So the alphabet used to represent the data is called the variables. Fine. uh, See here, in arithmetic we use only numbers. In algebra we use numbers and symbols. The number used in algebra are called constant. Suppose we can take a previous example, that is perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. So here 4 is a constant and yes is the variable. Since the value of symbol can vary, they are called variables. Okay. Then addition and subtraction. So addition subtraction is same as the arithmetic. So we can represent here 4 plus b. Okay, p plus q. Then x minus 3, x minus y. In multiplication, we can write here 5 multiplied by y, and we can omit this multiplication sign, that is 5y. But we never write y 5. Always remember this thing. Okay. Next thing about division. So just like arithmetic, we have to represent it same, that is 20 upon n, or we can say x upon y. Okay, in exercise 14.1, the statements is given and we have to form it in the basic operation. Suppose we are taking here 6 taken away from the sum of 7 and x. So here are two operations. First is first is sum of. That means we have to add 7 plus x. Okay, and then we have to taken away the 6. So we have to put this in bracket, 7 plus x minus 6. Okay, we can see sixth one, 7 divided by the difference of p and 2. So how can we represent this? Difference, that means subtraction, right now. So p minus 2 and it is divided by 7. Get it, everyone? Okay, so our next topic is coefficient. When we represent this in the okay, I'm sorry. When we represented this 3a, that is one number and the variables, the number, okay, the number of number or the letters or symbol, we can say in of variable is called the coefficient. Suppose this is 5xy. If I ask you, okay, listen carefully, in 5xy, if I ask what is the coefficient of xy, then it is 5. Okay, fine, understand up to this? Okay, I ask what is the coefficient of y, then it is 5x. Okay, if I ask what is the coefficient of x, then it is 5y. Okay, everyone remember these things. Okay, fine. So let's see the exercise 14.2. In 8z, if the variable is z, so what is coefficient? 8. In 80x, x is the variable, so what is the coefficient? 80. Okay, in AB, b is the variable, so what is the coefficient? A. In 4xyz, yz is the variable, so what is the coefficient? 4x. Okay, in 9pq, p is the variable, so what is the coefficient? 9q. Understand, everyone? Fine. Next, expression. So these are the expression what we see here. 3x minus 4z plus 6. So it is the expression, we can say algebraic expression. Okay, so how many terms are here? 3xy comma 4 minus 4z comma 6. Here are 3 terms, always remember. Okay, suppose here it is 4x, so it is only one term. A minus 4, in this expression there are 2 terms, a comma minus 4. Okay, fine. So if the variable's value is given, then we can find the value of expression. Suppose see here, this is the expression a plus b plus 4. Okay, and if a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, then we have to find the value of expression. So a की जगह हम क्या रखेंगे 1, b की जगह 2 and 4 as it is. Then 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7. Get it everyone? Okay. Next. So fine, I think I have covered all the points. Let me check. Okay, one more point is remain here. So you have to see on page number 211, that is like and unlike terms. When the coefficient, forget about the coefficient, okay? Coefficient may be different but variables may be same, then it is called the like terms. When variables are different, then it is called unlike term. Suppose ABC comma AB. So here in the first term there is A, B and C are the variables. In second term there is A and B. Only two terms are there. So they are unlike terms. XY comma YX. So here X is present in both terms, Y is present in both terms. So they are like terms. Okay. See exercise 14.48 example. 8 ABC, sorry, 9 BAC and 10 CAB. So in each and every term there is ABC. So these are the like term. So get it idea about like term and unlike terms? Fine. So I have completed your all syllabus. Okay. Let me talk about your exam. Okay. So once again I will tell you it is in the MCQs form. Okay. So each question carry 1 mark. Fine. You have enough time. Read the question carefully. Okay. Revise properly, and then when you are solving the paper, be relaxed. Okay. Concentrate in your paper only. Read the question carefully. Okay. Think about it, solve it, and then tick it. Okay. When you have covered the paper, you have to recheck it properly. Fine. Okay. Submit it within time. Right. Have a nice time and revise well. Wish you all the best.